Hi guys, welcome back. Nice to see you here. I'm happy that you're here for my next video, but at first of all, you must be 18 years old for selling, trading, buying, and please invest the money if you wanna buy or trading with crypto. The money what you can lose, not for your wife, family, kids. Yeah, it's a big risk. Just invest the money what you can lose. Okay, I'm not a professional. I do it just for my own research and for entertain you, and I wanna show you what I buy and how I buy it. Okay, when you install it on your phone, please do it. I can say to you, it is a really easy way to buy and sell. Click on Binance. It's open like this. You see this at the first. You can direct see how to send money to Binance when you click here. Then you have much variants to how to send money to Binance. Here you can direct buy with your fiat. If you have a MasterCard or a Visa card, you can direct buy some coins. And when you scroll down, you see a rank list, the winner, the loser. And yeah, let us go to the market. You want to buy some coin, let us write. Here you can see already I search for Dogecoin. Click on it or write Dogecoin, then you see a big list. Yeah, and I want to buy it with euro. And click on it. Then you can see how much cost in the moment the Dogecoin. 0.21 euro. Here you can see what the people selling, buying, and if you want to buy, click on green. If you want to sell, click on red, but we want to buy, click on green. So you can see the Dogecoin here in the down where I click now. Write how much you want to invest. I have not much fiat, as a fiat is the money what you send to Binance. 15 euro maybe I want to buy, then I get 69.7 Dogecoins for 15 euro. Yeah, but I have no fiat money. Then if you want to buy and if you have enough money, click on the green button. This is the meaning buy. There, then you get your Dogecoin, your first coin. And if you want to have other, write other. Let us do it together. Other. Okay, I want to buy it also with the euro. Click on it. Look what the people selling, buying. Click on the green for buy. Right here in the down, how much you want to invest. We say 25 euro. Then you get 22.4 coins from other. Really easy. And if you want to buy this 22 coins, just click on the green button for buying. Then you owner of ADA. Okay, this is all what I have to say today. Really easy. Install Binance. For me, the best market to selling, buying, trading coin. I'm a beginner. Have fun. See you in the next video. Bye bye.